Hi, I'm Judy Popoff. I'm with Wave Central and Doma Broadcasting. We're here at NAB 2026, and this is the first time we're able to show on our big screen that we have lots of different video and the great latency. So we're super excited about that. Also excited about the fact that we have our little Pico transmitter here in this drone. This was the drone that was
Where is it? It's hard to see where it is.
It is right here.
So the blue stuff here.
Yes, looks just like this.
So what is going on inside this? So there's like a
That's our micro
technology,
transmitter.
and it transmits video?
Yes, it does. And so you remember the big winter events that happened recently, and there were a lot of skiers, and you could hear them buzzing.
Those drones were amazing. Was that your technology?
It is, yes. It was something just like this right here. And this is the Proton camera. So this camera right here is what streams the video to the transmitter. This is the one that is used for the person flying it.
But it was like the skiing and stuff, it's so fast.
Yes.
This could catch up, this could keep up with them?
Yes, absolutely.
And it could broadcast such high quality. It was like such an amazing experience. Like millions of people around the world were awed by this experience.
Yes, right? Absolutely.
And
everyone
it's only because
noted
you're able to make the transmitter so small?
Yes, yes.
So this is
and
the
our partnership with Proton cameras, which has been amazing because they have the best cameras.
Nice. So it's high quality little camera, very small.
Yes.
Very compact.
Right.
Here's some other cameras, and this one also.
Well, this one isn't. This is a camera that's like a cap cam, so you can clip it on.
Nice.
This is our Raptor Eye.
So it's broadcast quality.
Yes.
And
this is the Raptor Talent. This is also new.
And you have this special technology to be able to broadcast high quality without too much interference, and just goes back to the control center.
Yeah, it's fantastic, and the lightweight is just amazing. This is also a new package that we're putting together. This is what a lot of people in the industry refer to as a MEG. It has the Ronin unit, so it's all in one, and you can just kind of easily be transportable wherever you need to go.
This is the one?
Yes. So this Ronin is a brand.
All right.
So
nice
we can resell that all as one packaged unit.
Yeah.
Another one of these MEG systems is over here. Let me take you. This is the Focus Pocus backpack. So we have a whole little package here that makes it very portable and gives you a lot that you can go and move around and really get high quality stuff and just be so flexible with your movements.
I wonder what goes into the technology of the video signal and how you get it over. I guess it's UHF?
It's a top secret. Domo broadcast technology.
Is it? But it works in Europe because the Olympics was in Europe.
Absolutely. Well, anywhere. Domo is out of the UK.
It's a UK company.
Yes, absolutely. And we've been partnering with them forever, as far as I know.
Nice. And here's a lot of also cool hardware. I'm just going to have a quick look.
Yeah, these are a lot of our transmitters here.
And I see displays and the transmitter there. And this may be the receiver. It goes back to the system. All there. Nice. And this is everything in the box?
So these are also new. This is the Wave Light Kit. So this is a more affordable and economical solution for people like schools and things like that that really need the equipment, but they're not quite to the point where they need something super professional yet or super high quality for transmission. Notice the difference in the transmitter here. It's much smaller versus what you've got over here.
Bigger.
See the screen versus this tiny. Yeah, but for what they need, this works. And we didn't really have a solution for that before, so we're happy to be able to offer this as an affordable solution. And so that's just the highlights of what we have here at the show this year for new equipment and all the hot stuff.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.